Hey guys, it's Laura from Love Laura, and today we'll be unboxing the Violet Volcano kit. This looks really cool because there's a bug guy here, a bug guy here, a bug guy here, and a bug, yeah, you get it. So let's unbox it. Pop-ups, we got pop-ups, let's put them there. We've got a leaflet. We've got goggles because safety comes first. Bicarbonate or soda. A volcano because it's a violent volcano here. Tartic acid. Make sure you have supervision to do this if you want to because these are very toxic. And we got a spawn. So that's all for today. We're just unboxing it. Make sure you check out my other video where I actually explode it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post another video, and hit the like button, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!